Yep, this is Remote Technologies, Inc. Sitting with us is Matt. He is our wizard or RTI programmer, and he's the one who makes the system easy to use and function organically with a family.
So through this interface, you're controlling everything in the house of the future?
Pretty much everything. Some devices don't connect into automation systems. They might have a closed or a partially closed API.
API, or Application Programming Interface, is the key part of how you integrate products into the home. Devices with very open APIs allow us to integrate their controls in a deep way with the home system, whereas devices with closed APIs block our ability to link their features with the rest of the home. For example, our Nest security camera on the front door has a closed API, so we couldn't get that camera feed into the RTI system. In contrast, the IP cameras around the home are completely able to be integrated with RTI, which allows us to pull up a feed of what's going on around the home directly from the RTI system.
So this is the dashboard for the entire home. Got our controls and activities for the living room, our patio audio, our Nest climate control for the whole house. Normally, in most systems, you'll just see it'll say Apple TV. Here, we've dialed it into specific apps. So I know I watch Netflix, I watch Hulu. Everything that needs to happen to watch Netflix then happens at the push of that one button without navigating anything.
Okay, so let's say I got a new gaming system. So you got a PS4, what if I got an Xbox?
We could just grab an Xbox icon and then program it to where it'll switch to that gaming input for the Xbox just at the single push of a button.
RTI is also able to plug into Alexa, which opens up the entire system to voice control. However, it introduces an extra step. Instead of saying, "Alexa, turn on Netflix," I'll have to say, "Alexa, tell a home butler to turn on Netflix." It's a little more awkward and frustrating if you forget, but soon we're told that the system will be upgraded to avoid having to do this additional step.
But that's kind of the easy side of the programming. Matt gets into more of the advanced side where you'll have shortcuts, for things that you do every day. So like good morning or good night or welcome home or away.
So show me what welcome home does.
So we come in here, open up that function. You'll see right now we've got that program to set the living room to Netflix, playing some music in the landscape. We're altering the thermostat temperature to 70. And then we turn on some lights in the kitchen, the living room, but only if it's dark. So if you're coming home in the day, the rest of the functions will still happen, but the lights will stay off to conserve energy.
And that level of house-wide control of our devices is really the strength of a system like RTI. The ability to string together so many devices to function as one home is the goal of the home of the future.